Ebusuya, mame mo akwaba Emra GH report so ene yanti asempa. Ni nyina eye Ghana Armed Forces ene screen ya omo ye na yenuanom Ghana fo ni bi ekopie mu a omo ye madwe se omo kwakoye screen ni bi ekowi ase ene reporter air security o media no say about 12 people ahwe omo nkwa na eno na president of the land His Excellency John Dramani Mahama go jani this year no watimi abo anan akwakope mu o 37 military hospital awakohwe de ekoso honom na abusuya Ghana it seems that we don't learn from our mistakes. It seems that Ghana tempiano yenye proactive yema BBC wie ansa na no echi no yabehwe de yebetimi aye esan say I know say kebetimi afine proper way e de aye this screening dance ye je omugu mu yo ane ebi mo hwe omonkwa na abusuya before say abekwa kohwe His Excellency John Dramani Mahama abro okoko pie mu e wo chese 37 military hospital no yeni kai enhwe how a stampede no ehase even at the airwork stadium no ekwan a wona e pe akonya awramu e wo chese screening ni mu no ne enema tim eto dwa e wo hono a e very bad I saw in fact I was say empanifo etrase na omohwe this particular video ye pa na afeno they come out with proper measures henceforth no ombe you see e dey on screen because sekakoye baby bia enka problem bia nsheda eni ho bese eye Ghana military Ghana Armed Forces screening ena baby say yakwakosie ama enipa ahwe mo nkwane de I think say very bad very bad abusia yenhwe video we na yeni nkomo eti enipa no ena omugwo sa no enipa wo hwe wa mu nyina aye nipa omo twen se obenya akonya no akokko wura mu na omo aye screening enjuma de we nyina etodwa ewo work stadium hwe enipa pa abusuanya izo Esho kure ku omo esho now enipa we brebe we nyina bi say yemisa say nipa say ne be fa wo hebe bi obi nam abusia hebe bia obi nam obi fapa this is serious now me be say war now more for is it part of the trials and as I say like I don't get it yeah for 1 minute 20 no before say screening over here I just say ucha war and as I say like I don't get it oh Ghana oh drones or say GBB or down which means way and yet the arrange where somebody a rampage screen you know oh bro come on Ghana we can do better enipa what it's serious oh and what is siren no so just can you na mo eti bi say war no mu twa no like what's the essence of climate that war serious bro serious Abusia yen to aso na wo de yen hwe se de emu nsem siti na me akasa no I can't even think far now. Me pese ye kohwe wo abra His Excellency ekopie mu hodo ene se de ene masifa ekoye na okoye so acting defense minister enso etimi ekobi honorable kesi atoforsen or so kopie mu the current finance minister first you can hear finance minister wabra or touch it down 37 military hospital. Be my mre. How about Mr. So I can't do. Honorable Akando. Hey. I was yeti yanko hwe yemfiri anade yehwe His Excellency okopie mu no na afi wi a yebetie commander a ono e 37 military hospital no ensem a ode to dwa now His Excellency they try to scale the wall. Very sad. Very sad, and it's serious. It's serious, but you're free and all the and someone 37 military hospital commander no editor concerning information security say enipa 12 and ewu no commander say enya no kre enipa 6 na mom no enipa 12 but as a worker no na ne buafu I don't know the reason na ne buafu tie.
She's going to address you on the details of the casualties in order to set the record straight. Yes. So please go ahead. Yes. Introduce yourself.
Very good morning to you all. I'm the commander of the 37 Military Hospital, Brigadier General Evelyn Vivian Abraham Kwabia. I need to just get something straight. There's an erroneous information going out. The casualties we have that came through were 28 in number. Those 28. Who are dead are 6 and not 12.
Those who are dead, number 6
and in ICU are 5. We have 12 who are fairly critical. The rest are stable. Thank you.
Thank you. And walk chrono. Enti commander kasa. O say information air security air say enipa 12 and ewu no. According to commander, o say yes anete enipa 6 and ewu. Then you ask yourself say obi akra fie say okọ screen aba wa ma bi mwako. Enipa ewu te say nkokọ. And we ankoye bibi bia o. Eye okope military mu kwan. Okope soldier di. Okope uniform ase wa ma bi. Wadi kan ama uniform no kra no. So obehye bi so onhye bi se be fancy emfa no. Onya we. It's very sad. And meeting here, was in nipa 5 at the ICU. So check where, bro. We can do better. Ghana, ye boy di Ghana. Yes, what near di anniversary 6 March. Then for Christ's sake, where in fear Ghana enya na ene ye screening, military screening na enipa ewua. I was your AGH report.